Hey everyone, my name is Hamza. I'm a developer and data analyst based in the Detroit metropolitan area. And today I'm going to be presenting my data analytics project, which I hosted on Streamlit. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a clear, lasting impact on the world's economy. This was only augmented by the Ukraine conflict. Now, this begs the question, what did these two events actually do to the prices, the economy, and our purchasing power? And is there a trend? So to begin my analysis, I first gathered multiple public data sets from websites like Kaggle and Statista. You can check them out by clicking on the links below the Sources tab. I imported Pandas, a Python library, to view and clean the data sets. I had to rename columns, change column variable types, normalize the data to see the trends, and in some cases I had to simplify the data set. After the exploration and wrangling of the data, I got working on visuals using Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. Now, let's go to the prices page, and let's take a look at the normalized data frame. So, upon looking at the graph, we notice that there's a clear trend between the price change and the events. We see a slight dip, and then the prices shoot up and we reach record highs. This trend is also illustrated in the other graphs. So, upon seeing this trend, I graphed out a pair plot and a correlation diagram, both of which let me see the correlation and relationship between the prices of wheat, gasoline, and copper. This made me build a machine learning model using libraries such as Statsmodels and Scikit-learn. For the model, I used the price of gasoline and the price of wheat to predict the price of copper. Next, we'll move on to the CPI page. Going over these graphs, we find that COVID-19 caused a spike in the graph, indicating a higher energy cost. Looking at the second graph, we see that COVID-19 also caused a peak in the price of food. From this, we can conclude that COVID-19 had a significant impact on CPI. Lastly, let's jump over to the GDP page. Looking at this graph, we find that COVID-19 caused a sharp decrease in GDP, and this trend also follows into the Ukraine conflict. From this, we conclude that COVID-19 and the Ukraine crisis caused a decline in the economy. And to wrap this up, I left out some articles for you guys. And if you guys are interested, you can check out the code snippets. So the code snippets are basically parts of this project that I left out for you guys to see how data cleaning and how data visualization work. And for the second one, I showed you the code as well as the graph that would be outputted from that code. Thank you for watching.